Guys, welcome back to Kuma Style. We don't really do unboxing videos on this channel, not often, but I just got the CCSTOYS Gurren Lagann in, and it's one that I've been hyped for like a year since it was announced. CCSTOYS, really good company. Worked with them on promoting the Thunderbolt figure from Hardcore Mecha, and just the Q-Mech Aggie, all kinds of stuff over the years, man. They've went through many names, now they're doing licensed products and stuff, and their stuff has gotten so good that it's not even funny. Really cool die-cast items and stuff, and yeah, we'll go over the figure in the review, but just an overview of the company or whatever. Really cool, upcoming Super Robot Toy Company. They do all kinds of stuff, but I'm a Super Robot Toy collector, and that's the part that interests me the most. Alright, so it comes with a shipper here, and this box is really heavy, and that's got me hyped, because I'm like, this piece is gonna be solid, or it has really heavy accessories. Who knows? But we're about to see. So, oh, I thought that one side the tape was off. It looked like it. See if we can get this off cleanly. Yeah. Okay, minimal residue. Ah, that's smart. Really cool box art. And again, this is a licensed product. That's beautiful. I wish I had... There's no way this fits in a detail. So, do I have my... Yeah, I've got my ruler on me. Because people ask a lot for box sizes, so it's about 17 and a quarter by 13, and then this, I would say, about 4. 17 and a quarter, 13, 4. Those are inches, because I am an American. All right, so tape on the top. Gonna need something for that. Yeah, just, this is beautiful. Let me show you guys the back again. So all the different options and stuff like that. Just even on the outside. Okay. Spiral power. I don't know what the significance of this is. It looks like it maybe pokes out, but art sheet there. Let's take a look. What's that? Get the instructions out of the way. And then, back upright. Zoom out. I'll loosen this up a bit. Go layer by layer. So this top part has alternate faces, alternate parts for the helmet, as well as the base for the stand. Get this nice and loose so I can move the camera around decently. And then, of course, the figure itself. I've got some drills, as well as pieces for its backpack. Miniature drills. Back the lights off a bit. Now this is layered, so let's see what's beneath. It's not. It just looks layered. So yeah, cardboard backing. Again, just making sure. Okay, cool. It's just got cardboard pieces that stabilize it underneath. Underneath there, let's see if that comes out. There are some further accessories. So this part, that's what made me think that it was double layered. It's double layered on the inside here, so make sure that you guys can see that. There's that part, and then there's another sheet here that has his wing pieces, all the miniature drills, as well as his shoulder pads. Alright, so getting that out. Jiminy. And I'm not gonna lie, off the bat, this thing is gorgeous. Go ahead and zoom in there. And make sure we're bright enough. This seems pretty dark, so let me fix that. Hey, it's kind of cool that I could do that while the video's shooting. There's that. Just for the sake of it, let's see if we can't get the shoulder pads on. At least give you guys some semblance of what the piece looks like before review. And man, there's so much die cast on this thing that it feels like cool to the touch. It's really awesome. Just that. And it's the back to his skirt. That pegged in. Some of this stuff out of the way. Let's see, I want to get at least one of his crests on. These pieces are taped, so give me a moment to rectify that. And again, this isn't a full-on review or anything like that. Just a hype unboxing. So you can see what all comes in the package and this and that. And yeah, without a doubt, this thing is no joke. How do I go about... Obviously there's some stuff that I'm going to have to learn on this figure. But yeah, that's where the visor would normally go in. I don't see the visor. There we go. Now he's looking slick. Give you guys a roundabout here. And boom. Really cool stuff. Looking forward to going ahead and breaking this down in a full review for you guys very, very, very shortly.